Welcome to the ultimate travel guide to Canada. From the majestic Niagara Falls in Ontario to the stunning landscapes of Banff National Park in Alberta and the vibrant city life of Vancouver, British Columbia. Explore the historic charm of Old Quebec, the picturesque beauty of Prince Edward Island, and the bustling energy of Toronto. Venture to the ski slopes of Whistler, the cultural hub of Montreal, and the coastal drive of Cabot Trail in Nova Scotia. Immerse yourself in the surf culture of Tofino, the political heart of Ottawa, and the natural wonders of Jasper National Park. Experience the thrill of Churchill in Manitoba, the rugged beauty of Gros Morne National Park in Newfoundland, and the iconic Peggy's Cove in Nova Scotia. Indulge in wine tours in the Okanagan Valley, witness the dramatic tides of Bay of Fundy in New Brunswick, and marvel at the northern lights in Yukon. Discover the elegance of Victoria, British Columbia, and the colorful charm of St. John's, Newfoundland. Start planning your Canadian adventure today.